Very good. Okay, the first one. Can you read this one?
When
Okay.
Farmer Chuck is in a bad mood.
Very good. Farmer Chuck is in a bad mood. Another 2 boxes for Eryna. 1, 2. Next, can you read this one?
He sits on a stool to brood.
Very good. He sits on a stool to brood. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Next one.
Where are the hens the coop?
Okay, good. How do we read this word? This word. In. Okay, very good. Where are the hens in the coop? 2 boxes for Eryna. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
Where is the rooster?
A rooster. Very good. Where is the rooster? 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Next, can you read this one?
And where is the goose?
And where is the goose? Another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. All right. You've crossed the finish line.